Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you don't remember, in our last video we covered the news on tax refunds, Form 7203, and the upcoming deadlines. In this video we have prepared a checklist of the most important and common tax documents that you might need before you file. This information will be beneficial for both business and non-business owners, and it is very urgent because the deadline is April 18th, which is just around the corner. So please stay tuned. The first form that I'd like to talk to you guys about today is the W-2. This is one of the most common forms that we receive, and it is provided by employers to employees who are on payroll. This form will summarize wages and tips received throughout the year, as well as FICA taxes, or Social Security and Medicare, and FIT taxes, or federal income tax. This form can also include extra payroll deductions such as 401k. The next document that I'd like to discuss with you today is called the Form 1099 INT. This is a summary of the interest income that you've received throughout the year. This is typically received from banks, investment firms, and other financial institutions that you have money invested into. And they will typically send this to you if you have received interest of over $10. The third form on our list is called the 1099 DIV, which is for dividends and distributions. You should receive one of these reports if you have money invested in stocks or you have a mutual fund distribution and you receive money in excess of $10 in the taxable year. Next on our list is the Form 1099B. This is a summary of the assets sold through a brokerage or trading platform such as Robinhood or Merrill Lynch. It will document the gains and losses that you've made, as well as any 1099 DIV income or 1099 INT income that you've made. Our next form is the 1099 MISC, or miscellaneous income. You should be receiving one of these if you receive compensation such as rent, prizes and awards, medical and healthcare payments, as well as if you're an attorney. Next, we will discuss the Form 1099 NEC. Previously, we talked about the Form W-2, which is for employers to employees who are on payroll. The Form 1099 NEC, however, is for individuals or small businesses who perform a service for another business and receive $600 or more in compensation. You should expect to receive this form if you have met these requirements. The seventh form that I'd like to discuss with you guys today is the 1099-R. This has to do with distributions of $10 or more in value from individual retirement arrangements or IRAs, annuities, pensions, life insurance contracts, things of this nature. Our next form is the Schedule K-1. This form is for the business owners and investors who own a percentage of a company that is a pass-through entity, which includes partnerships and corporations. This form will document the income, deductions, and other tax items that you receive as a percent holder of that company. The ninth entry on our checklist will be Form 1098. This form summarizes the mortgage payments that you have made throughout the year, as well as the interest you've paid and any property taxes or insurance premiums paid on your behalf. As a special note, I'd like to also mention that for year 2021, any charitable contributions of cash up to $600 can be deducted and does not have to be itemized on your tax return. The last form on our list is the 1095-A. This document has to do with health insurance that you've purchased through healthcare exchanges as well as marketplaces. This form documents about your insurance policy, your premiums, any advance payments of premium tax credits, and the people in your household covered by the policy. These 10 documents are important to consider before filing your tax return this year. The sooner you can get these documents together, the sooner you can file, and the sooner you can get your tax refund. We hope that we have helped you out in the process, and we understand that this can be a lot of information to digest. So if you have any more questions, then we suggest you reach out to your local CPA, or you can contact us at 832-295-3353. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.